The perfect gifts for military members. First on our list is the amazing Fingerprint Padlock, currently under $20. It keeps your belongings secure, especially if you're sharing a barracks or dorm room. Easy to use and doesn't require carrying around keys, making it easy for the member to access their lock even at night. Next we have two pocket pen lights. They sell under $20 on Amazon. Small and lightweight, so it's easy to carry around. Can be used for a variety of tasks, such as reading maps, checking equipment, or signaling for help. The North Face Camp Duffel Bag. Durable and versatile duffel bag that can be used for a variety of purposes. Water resistant, so you don't have to worry about your belongings getting wet. A great way to store gear or travel. The bag folds up extremely small when not used, requiring very little space when not using it, ideal for a Navy sailor. Another great gift is the Mippko magnetic phone holder, selling around $22. Keeps your phone secure while you're sailing, in your rack, or even just relaxing in your barracks room. A must is the laundry bag backpack, selling for $24 currently. Keeps your dirty laundry separate from your clean laundry. Spacious, so you can fit a lot of clothes in the bag. It will last a long time for the service member, and make it easier for them to do laundry. D&D Wanderlust Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag, currently is selling for $27 and well worth it. What sets this bag apart is its ingenious hanging option, making it the perfect choice for military personnel who often share showers, having everything neatly hung on the shower bar, allowing quick and hassle-free access to all the essentials needed for a refreshing shower. Eagle Creek Packet Spectre Packing Cubes, selling for under $60 and well worth it. They keep your gear, uniforms organized and compact. Lightweight, so they won't add much weight to your luggage. They make small spaces organized. Next on our list is the TICCI Unisex Vibrating Watch. This versatile timepiece features 8 alarms, convenient reminders, and big digits that are visible even in the dark. It's also waterproof, making it a top choice for our selection, selling for $65. The must-have socks for military. Introducing men's moisture-wicking cushioned crew work boot socks. These high-quality socks for maximum comfort and durability, with 6 pairs available at an affordable price of $22. Keep your feet comfortable and dry, even during long days of training or deployment. Made of moisture-wicking fabric that helps to keep your feet cool and dry. Cushioned for extra comfort, they will love this. Multi-charging cables, 2 for under $20. Keep your devices charged while you're on the go. Has extra cables for their buddies. Has 4-in-1 fast charger cable multi-charging cord USB ports, so you can charge 4 devices at the same time. Next are the 16 black strong magnets. They sell for $8 and a needed item for all military members. Keep track of important papers or documents. The magnets can hold over 20 sheets of paper. Strong, so they won't fall off your rack, bed, or locker. Great for holding up photos of loved ones. A must is the King Max Pocket Toolkit, selling under $20. Have the essentials on hand for any emergency. Includes a knife, pliers, can opener, screwdriver, and more. Another great item is the leather journal notebook with combination lock, for under $20. Keep track of your thoughts and experiences. Has a combination lock, so you can keep your journal private. Next is a common overlooked item we wish we had. The Oral-B cross-action all-in-one soft toothbrushes would be a great gift. Keep your teeth clean and healthy with the best toothbrushes. Rock your tunes on the move with our top pick under $30, the Anker Soundcore Bluetooth speaker, whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks. With its impressive sound quality and portable design, it's perfect for your on-the-go adventures. This unbeatable audio companion will play for over 24 hours. Water resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet. The must-have item is the half-gallon insulated water bottle. It has a rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars by thousands, for under $40. Stay hydrated, especially during long days of training or deployment. Insulated, so your water will stay cold for hours. Made of durable stainless steel, so it will last for years to come. Thank you for watching. As a retired Navy chief with a computer degree and a strong connection to the military, I can confidently say that all the items mentioned in the video are listed below and would make excellent choices. From my own experiences, I know these gifts will be greatly appreciated by military members. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to ask below. Stay tuned for more great content, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support means a lot. Until next time. Thanks for watching.